Hello, fellow mentorship traders. I'm extremely delighted and happy to have one of our community members with me today. And आज हम उनके trading journey के बारे में बात करेंगे. I have Dr. Vinod Gore. He is from one of my favorites. It is in India, Pune. Vinod, very good morning and thank you time देने के लिए. In fact, आज महाशिवरात्रि का छुट्टी है, so हम लोग ने सोचा क्यों ना चांस पे डांस किया जाए. Thanks a lot for joining in.
Thank you, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Dr. Vinod Gore is a cancer surgeon from Pune, as I was telling you. We can see his page also. Vinod ji, आपके बारे में थोड़ा brief बताइए. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your age, your background, a little bit more so that we can connect with you better.
Yeah, I'm a cancer surgeon from Pune. Actually, I did my education from the Pune, and then I did my training in the cancer surgery at Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. So after finishing my cancer training at Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, I shifted again back to the Pune. And in 2009, I started my practice at Pune as a cancer surgeon. So since last 11 years, I am in the practice. I'm practicing cancer surgery. Apart from that, I'm working against tobacco program, anti-tobacco campaignings, and I'm a mentor for the state of Maharashtra for many NGOs for the state of Maharashtra for anti-tobacco campaigns. Again, we are doing a lot of cancer awareness program. So since I have joined my practice, I'm doing cancer surgery as well as work in some cancer awareness programs.
That's very good. So 11 years you've been a surgeon. That's very good. Vinod ji, आपका उम्र क्या होगा? What will be your current age now? Just wanted to understand.
Around 42 years.
42 years.
Yeah.
So you're my age. I'm 41.
Yeah.
All right. Let's now come into your trading angle, the trader in you. आपके अंदर जो trader है. Let's hear a little bit about आपको ये trading का कीड़ा कहाँ से लगा? What was the initial memory which you thought that, okay, trading is something interesting and I want to pursue it a little bit?
Yeah, actually I was busy in my practice, and I'm very happy with my field which I have chosen for my profession, because since I have started practice in 2009, I was busy in the doing cancer surgeries, and my profession gives me money, my name, and job satisfaction, everything. So I was happy with my profession and doing my practice. So I was busy in that. I never thought about investing or doing trading. So I was doing my practice and I was happy with that. One of my friend, Dr. Pratap, he was insisting me to do some investment in mutual fund. So as per his advice, I started doing the mutual fund investment. I started my journey of investing there. And through one advisor, we started SIP, and then I was doing regular investments in 2016. So actually, it has helped me to build up my portfolio strongly. And then in 2016, I came across one person, that Dr. Ramnath Gute. Actually, I have very much respect to this person because he has done a lot of financial literacy in the doctors. So he ran one group called WealthCon. So through that, I got a lot of knowledge regarding the investing and the mutual funds. And then I started doing my own mutual fund investing since 2016. So I shifted from the regular to direct mutual funds. And then maybe around 2019, I opened my account in the Zerodha, and I started doing small investments or started buying some shares. So since during last 2 years, I was doing investment in the shares.
So ये जो last 2 years you've been primarily doing yourself, especially through the broking account.
Yeah.
How has been the journey? Can you break this journey in few parts? Like, was there your previous experience with mutual funds? Did it help you to gain some knowledge? And can you break this journey a little bit? In the last 2 years,
Yes.
how have you grown as a trader?
Yeah, actually, as far as my mutual fund journey is concerned, I'm very much happy. During since last 2018, 2016, 18, 19, I was doing a very good investment in the mutual fund. I got very good knowledge, and I have changed my portfolio. I realized that many funds which was advised by my advisor were not doing well. I shifted my some mutual funds like debt mutual fund to the arbitrage fund, and then I did lot of study. So my mutual fund portfolio is doing well. It is doing almost 30% per annum, which is I consider it as a good growth. So as far as mutual funds are concerned, I was very happy, and initial building of the portfolio since 2014 has helped me to collect some good corpus. So that journey was going well. But in 2020, that is the start of the corona, I realized one thing. When I started doing some investing in the share market, I realized that all the people who are advising or my friends, they are doing good job, but I am not having good knowledge about the technical analysis. And few things has happened in 2020, early 2020. First thing was I have undergone little small surgery, and then Corona started in February. So I was having little free time. So that free time, then I started watching some YouTube videos and some online webinars I have attended. But I realized I'm not getting a proper knowledge. And in March 2020, I made some losses in the share. So I decided to do some proper training in the technical analysis. And then there is another friend, Dr. Nivant, who is our mentorship group member. Actually, he insisted me to do this NAC course on e-learn market. So actually, I was not knowing who is Mr. Abhijit Paul, what is NSE, what is e-learn market. But I was having a lot of time. There was a lockdown in the March, April. So I decided to join that course. And I can tell you, I was joining that course. I was not having much expectations because I have seen many webinars on the online. But when I joined that course, I realized, yes, I got something good. So it was like finding something out of blue. And when I attended your first lecture, I realized that you are a true mentor. So I really मैं ये इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं आपके साथ वीडियो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं कि there are few good qualities in you. फर्स्ट थिंग इज, मैं जब भी वेबिनार बाकी अटेंड किए थे उनमें मैंने देखा था कि बहुत बार लोग, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ नॉइज, पीपल जस्ट स्पीक अबाउट द नॉलेज फॉर 5 few minutes and then there is marketing and lot of other discussions. So you are very punctual, you directly go to the point, you discuss about the knowledge, you don't discuss about anything, any other things in detail, but you directly go to the knowledge and you speak very properly, you teach very properly. So that teaching started from the basics, and that has definitely changed my view, my psychology towards the trading.
I understand, Vinod. Thank you very much. But हम इस webinar को more about you रखेंगे. That was a course which I take. I still take that. I'm a faculty there, which creates the foundation, the basic. Yeah. But then you moved ahead, and then after a few months, you became a part of the community. You became a mentorship trader.
Yes, sir. So after attending, yeah.
How was that?
After attending your course on NSE, then first Nivant again joined the mentorship course, and again he insisted me because actually the mentorship course and NSE course, the training was little bit same, so I was little hesitant to repeat the course again. But then what Nivant has advised me, I should join mentorship course because these are live trading sessions which you are taking 3 sessions every week. So I can, we can ask our queries, we can discuss the things. So this is a dynamic process. So again, I joined the mentorship. Now there are 2 types of trader. There are many people who are doing this daily. They are in front of the screen. My profession is different, and I have some limitations because I cannot be in front of screen. That is one. Second thing is I don't want to be a full-time trader because I'm happy with my primary profession, which gives me money, name, satisfaction, everything. So this is like my second profession or second business. और initially क्या होता था ना कि जब I was not having any knowledge, many advisor used to come to us, sir आपके पास time नहीं है तो आप ये करो. So now we ourselves have knowledge, and at least I can do my investing better. So my aim is to do the positional trading and investing. So your course also has helped me a lot to build that view, because few things have definitely changed since I have joined your course. First thing is universe of the stocks. You have a very good concept that you are teaching only about the FNO stocks. So that automatically filters the good stock from the bad. So I don't have to do much fundamental analysis. So I am mainly trading in the Nifty 50 or Nifty Next 50. I am not taking any small stocks or penny stocks. So if I buy some stock, even that stock corrects 10%, I am okay with that, because मैंने TCS में खरीदा है and TCS corrects 10%, still I am okay because मुझे मालूम है कि वो कल ऊपर आने वाला है and that company is strong. So that thing is a very important thing, like traders like us, कि जो एक्चुअली डेली ये एनालिसिस नहीं कर सकते कि कौन सा कंपनी प्रॉफिट कर रही है, कौन सा कंपनी लॉस कर रही है. एंड जब तक आपको नॉलेज नहीं, यू कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट कि विच कंपनी इज डूइंग वेल. लेकिन आपने फिल्टर किया है कि निफ्टी 50 निफ्टी नेक्स्ट 50 में आप इन्वेस्टिंग कर रहे हो, तो वो स्टॉक एक ना एक दिन ऊपर आने ही वाला है. सो दैट you are not discussing anything about that universe is a very good thing, because that automatically filters. Because आपको मैं बता दूं, मैंने पहले कई स्टॉक लिए हुए हैं कि जिसमें 2 साल से मैं अटका हूं, because I have taken those stocks. One of the stock has corrected by 75%. So अभी penny stock 75% correct होता है, तो then it's very difficult to manage. So stock universe is one thing. Second thing is your swing strategy. Swing strategy में आपने जो swing strategy, और उससे पहले बहुत बार पहले क्या होता था कि actually I blame myself because I was not having knowledge about the any knowledge about technical analysis. So कहीं एक वीडियो देखा RSI का, कहीं एक देखा फिबोनाची का, then we see the video about ADX, and कोई फिर प्योर पॉइंट के बारे में बताता है. देन somebody will show you the chart of ये कि अभी ये फ्लैग पैटर्न में है, ये ब्रेकआउट होने वाला है. तो कौन सा कहाँ अप्लाई करना है इज अ बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. सो वी गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि अरे अभी कभी हम फ्लैग पैटर्न देखते हैं, कभी RSI देखते हैं, कभी. लेकिन आपका कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद मुझे ये पता चला कि जब आपको ट्रेडिंग करना है तो यू शुड हैव सम सेटअप. So you have combined underlying trend, you have combined the strength, you have combined various factors which actually are important. So your setup is a combination of the things. So if we trade through the setups rather than trading through one indicator or 2 indicator, it becomes a strong thing. So and then I don't have to see 100 things. क्या रे इसका फिबोनाची में क्या एनालिसिस है, I don't have to see, because you have already taken the care of strength, you have taken the care of the underlying trend. So आपके जो भी सेटअप्स है, स्विंग ट्रेडिंग का आपका जो एम एंड शूट है, गोल्ड डिगर है, या फिर आपका कॉन्ट्रा ट्रेडिंग का जो हुक स्ट्रैटेजी है, तो all these are the setups, these are not the indicators. And I feel as you are having a very good knowledge about the technical analysis, you can combine many things and you can create setups of your own, or you can create your indicators. So
Right.
now what has changed, I have started trading through the setups. And one of the setup which I really love is swing trading का, जो आपका aim and shoot है. So your concept is very simple, कि जो स्टॉक अप ट्रेंड में है उसको पकड़ना है, व्हेन इट करेक्ट्स आपको एंट्री करना है। और एंट्री है, इनिशियली भी हम बहुत करते थे ऐसा कि चलो कोई तो अभी टीसीएस है, करेक्ट हुआ है, 10% करेक्ट हुआ है तो उसमें एंट्री करनी है, लेकिन एंट्री कौन से पॉइंट में करनी है? वो मेनी टाइम्स वी लैंड अप कैचिंग द फॉलिंग नाइफ। सो आपका ये जो कंसेप्ट है कि exactly at the point when it turns up or it is bouncing back from your correction point, and how to catch that bouncing point is a very important thing. And मेरे जैसे पोजिशनल ट्रेडर के लिए ये थिंग, this thing has really helped.
That's good. So let's take a look at your performance. I think you have an account with Zerodha. If it's okay with you,
Yeah.
can we take a look at how have you been performing?
Yeah.
Of
So
course, passive trader, आप रोज एक्टिव नहीं रहते हो मार्केट में, we can understand.
So actually this discipline has definitely resulted in the profit. And if I go to the I have joined the mentorship in April, May. I did your course, and if I see from the June to March, we have 10.26 in. If we go to the realized profit and equity. Just a minute. Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so it is 10.26 in equity, and if I go to the future and options, there might be some loss. Yeah, 55 is a loss. So around 9.5. So around lakh rupees a month was the profit, which is good. It is around 5 to 10%.
Okay, let's get to understand. So primarily you do the swing trading.
Yeah.
और आपका फेवरेट सेटअप हमारे मेंटरशिप स्ट्रैटेजीज के अंदर एम एंड शूट है।
Yeah.
और क्या आप ज्यादातर इक्विटी में ट्रेड करते हैं या फ्यूचर्स में करते हो?
Actually, I am trading mainly in the equity. You can see from my portfolio also. Yeah, because I don't do trading in the futures. I don't consider myself दोनों चीजें के लिए, because I am in the initial stages. I don't want to take much risk. Second thing is, if I have bought the stock and if it corrects, psychologically I am okay with it. But if I buy the future and if it goes in the losses, then it becomes little bit difficult psychologically. So I am completely trading in the equity, only shares. I am buying only shares. Once they go in the profit, I am selling those. Again, I am entering into the new scripts. Again, whenever it is in the profit, I am selling it. And I do little bit sometimes options, not much, but future I am not doing at present.
Very good. Considering that you are a busy person and you are not in a position to devote a good amount of resource into trading, आपका Monday to Friday होता कैसे? Means how do you juggle between your trades and your work? Or are those days जहाँ पे आपको पता है you have a very busy day, आप उस दिन trading नहीं करते? आप generally इसको manage कैसे करते हैं?
Yeah, I don't want to become a daytime trader. That is one. And मैं day trading करता भी नहीं हूँ. I never take a trade कि एक दिन लिया और उस दिन मैं बाहर निकला हूँ. तो my primary aim is swing trading. So whenever I see some stocks in the evening, when I see, or particularly when I get your mails about their scans of aim and shoot, that helps me, that saves my time also. So I get, suppose I am getting 5-6 scripts from your mail, कि ये stocks aim and should पे है, then I analyze and I enter in 1 or 2 in the morning whenever I get little time. I don't track the portfolio on the screen, and in the evening I just keep on saying कि अभी कौन सा profit में आया है. Whenever I make some profit, then I put my exit order next day,
Right.
and I exit, and again I enter into the new script, because
Okay.
ये screen के सामने मुझे possible नहीं है, and even I don't advise any doctors to become a time trader, because they are primarily meant for doing their job, and definitely our country and society needs that skill more. So I don't advise any doctor to become a data entry.
Very good. Acha, because you spoke about the mentorship trade warm-up emailer, जो मैं हर Monday to Friday शाम को रात को आप सबको मेल करता हूँ. I've never asked this. I think I started this a month or 2 months back, maybe a month and a half, maybe. Has this benefited you? The 9 p.m.
definitely.
that you get from me?
Because particularly for the person like me who are actually busy during the daytime, and it is not possible to scan many scripts every day. So what I was initially doing, I was scanning the Nifty 50 stocks through the scanners.
Okay.
But now if I get your mail around 9 p.m., then if I'm getting that 6-7 scripts, I just see which is much better, or which are 2 or 3 which are much better to enter at that point. So it definitely saves my time.
Good. That's very good. I'm happy to hear this. In fact, after starting it, I never checked with any one of you कि यार जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये आपको फायदा हो रहा है कि नहीं. It's just out of my thoughts that of course this will add some value. I'm very glad it's adding value, the efforts. So it's a very good thing that you said that you don't want to become an intraday trade trader, and you're very clear about your priorities. The clarity is there. You being a doctor, you have certain degree of responsibilities, and that is the primary thing. And that's why place your orders and check it in the evening, and then again take the steps for the next day. I think this approach, this process has definitely helped you. What will you suggest who's listening to us? He can be a doctor or someone else, and who's looking at passive trading. What will be your word of advice to him or her?
Yeah, for passive trading, as I said, as a doctors or the professionals who are doing their other jobs and doing passive trading, आप इसके day trading के पीछे मत भागो. So their aim should not be to do the day trading. They should be very clear that they are passive traders. So swing trading is the best policy for them. So they should do the swing trading only. Then FNO is a little bit riskier for them, so it is better to buy a stock. So cash market is the better field for them, because psychologically whenever the stock corrects, you are having the peace of mind. So they should trade only in the cash segment. Everybody, whether he is a doctor, whether he is other professional, should have financial literacy. That is very important, because what I have seen when I was doing the investing through the advisor, and when I started doing investing myself, there is a lot of difference in that. So everybody should have financial literacy. They should do it themselves. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अरे नहीं मुझे टाइम नहीं है और मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है and I will leave it to somebody. So financial matters are something that you should do yourself. There are 2 more things which actually I have it has helped me during from your course. That is, one thing is point of action, POA. That is a very good concept, because many times ऐसा होता था कि मैंने कोई suppose Reliance ले लिया, उसमें अभी 10% 15% profit है, then again it goes in the 5% loss. But when I came across your concept of POA, point of action, कि जब भी प्रॉफिट है वो लॉक करना है या फिर स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ लगाना है. So that point of action is a very good concept. I really love it. And second thing is, when I was doing mutual fund investing, actually I was not having any knowledge about technical analysis. और RSI क्या होता है वो भी पता नहीं. लेकिन अभी क्या है कि when I am having technical knowledge from you and you have started that invest also section also. So पहले क्या होता था कि मैं जस्ट देखता था कि अरे अभी मार्केट नीचे आया है, करेक्ट हुआ है, तो कुछ ऐड करो, बाय ऑन द डिप्स. लेकिन वो डिप्स किसको कहना है वो डिफाइन नहीं था. सो बहुत बार मैं करेक्ट भी होता था. कभी ऐसा होता था कि 5% करेक्शन हुआ, मैंने खरीद लिया, उसके बाद और 5% करेक्शन हुआ. तो I was not clear about which is deep. Now as you have defined what is the deep, आपका जो RSI 9 का कंसेप्ट है कि जब भी ओवरसोल्ड हुआ तो एंट्री कब करना है, कब ऐड करना है. तो नाउ द थिंग्स हैव बिकम मोर सिस्टमैटिक. सो दीज आर द टू थिंग्स व्हिच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
आई थिंक ये जो सेकंड पार्ट था ना आपका, सिस्टमैटिक, अ प्रोसेस, ये this helps in decision making. See, trading is a bunch of decisions that we have to take.
Yeah.
Investment is also a bunch of decisions: which stock, which price, how much quantity, where to exit, etc. So essentially we are decision makers.
Yeah.
First and foremost, we have to take responsibility of the decision that we are taking. We cannot blame it on the market when it goes wrong and take it on us when it goes right. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. And the second thing is decision making process को हम जितना ज्यादा क्लियरली सिस्टमैटिक बनाएंगे उतना क्लैरिटी रहेगा एंड इट विल बी इजियर फॉर अस. और एल्स ट्रेडिंग विल बिकम रैंडम. आज रिलायंस लिया कुछ कारण से, परसों TCS लिया कुछ दूसरे कारण से, दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू यील्ड एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी. मे बी हिट एंड रन, यू नो, आपके पास बॉल आ रहा है, आप बैट घुमा रहे हो, कभी ना कभी तो चौका छक्का लग ही जाएगा. बट दैट्स नॉट द वे टू स्कोर रन्स. I'm very happy that you like the POA concept, because क्या होता है ना, when we take a position and a trade, हमारा bias create होता है. We see a 5% return, of course we want 6% return. किसको नहीं चाहिए? But उस 8% extra लालच में many a times हम लोग वो 5% को भी खो देते.
Yeah.
So I thought that there has to be a level, a point where you need to take an action to protect. पहले तो मार्केट में प्रॉफिट उतना इजीली मिलता नहीं है, जब मिल रहा है तब उसको क्यों जाने दे, आप उसको प्रोटेक्ट करो. So action is very much needed. Great. One last question I'll ask, Vinod. What will you say if someone asks you that is it possible to trade financial markets and be profitable consistently? Is it possible or not?
It is possible. If you have a discipline, it is definitely possible. I have never made losses during last 9 months. Every month I have made consistent profits, and even मैं actually stop loss ज़्यादा use नहीं करता. And if I am trading in the cash market, it is definitely possible to do the consistent profit, and actually that is more important. Making consistent. See, number is not important. How much profit I am making is a little bit secondary. That is, I think, second step. But first step is to protect your capital. Second step is to make some consistent profit. And I think third step is to increase your profit. So बहुत बार ये होता है कि लोग प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज करने जाते हैं पहले and then they make losses. लेकिन if you go by the system or systematic way and the knowledge of technical analysis is the only way to make the persistent profit that I have understand.
Good. I think discipline is a very key important point. आपने literacy के बारे में बताया. So whatever you're doing, you should know what you're doing. So knowing, learning is a very important thing. Stick to your own restrictions. Means ज़्यादा कूदी मारने का जरूरत नहीं है. Know what is your zone of comfort. जैसे आपको पता है आपको इंट्राडे नहीं करना है, तो उसके तरफ जाना ही नहीं है, because वो लॉस ही होगा. And जो आप कर रहे हो उस पे भी आप ध्यान नहीं दे पाओगे. So I think discipline is important, literacy is important, knowing what you're doing is important, and stay within your limitations. You should know what is your strength and weakness. If I can do intraday, does not mean that everyone can do intraday. I think that's also a very important point. And yes, it is possible if we have a certain process in mind and usko follow karna. I think it was nice. It was really good. Keep key pointers that's coming in from someone who's actually juggling these two things very well, consistently, and also in profits. Before I let you go, Vinod, any last words, anything that you would like to share those who are going to listen to us?
Yeah, actually, as I have already said, if you are doing the trading, आप ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हो तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज नॉलेज. तो आप नॉलेज पहले ले लो. फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस इज, आई थिंक, is very important, but little bit simple, because if you are choosing only the good stocks, that part is taken care of. Nifty 50 and Nifty next 50 automatically filters the good stocks. Technical analysis is very important thing, and you should have the knowledge of the technical analysis or market. Without knowledge, nobody should trade. And first thing is everybody should have knowledge. So the proper training is very important. I'm lucky that I came across you. Actually, to be very frank, I was not knowing anything about you, and suddenly this happened that just because of Nivan, I joined your course on NSE, Elan Market, and then I came to know. And actually, I was searching good person for technical analysis, and I really thank you for teaching very well. Your teaching style is also good. So I will advise anybody who are want to do the trading. So do proper training from a good person like you, and then trade properly.
Thank you. You know, it was very nice of you, very kind words. Before I let you go, I'll tell you that many a times in my career, especially when I was taking courses across India, many a times people, I've heard this, that a retail person cannot consistently make money from the market trading. He or she can make money in investments, in mutual funds, SIPs, fine. But one who is doing passive trading or active trading, a retail cannot make money consistently. It's something jo main kafi baar sun chuka. And then I thought that everything has a formula. Everything has a proper formula. If done properly, it has to show results if done properly. So my objective in my training, and especially with mentorship, is create a community who can confidently say that yes, it is possible to trade for a living. And of course, you are one of our examples. Thanks a lot, Vinod, for joining in. Thanks a lot for sharing your story and your success. I wish you all the best in your future trades. Stay within your limitations, trade the cash markets, and slowly scale up by 10%, 15% capital, bet size, slowly scale up. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Abhijit.